Switzerland is a beautiful country located in the heart of Europe. It is famous for its stunning landscapes, delicious chocolates, and efficient public transportation. In this beginner's guide, we'll take a closer look at what makes Switzerland such a special place. Geography. Switzerland is a landlocked country, meaning it doesn't have any coastlines. It is bordered by Germany to the north, France to the west, Italy to the south, and Austria and Liechtenstein to the east. The country is known for its breathtaking mountains, with the Alps covering a significant portion of its territory. Switzerland also has many lakes, including Lake Geneva and Lake Zurich, which add to its natural beauty. Culture and language. Switzerland is a diverse country with 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. The language you hear depends on which part of Switzerland you're in. For example, German is spoken in the majority of the country, while French is spoken in the western part, Italian in the southern part, and Romansh in some smaller regions. Despite these linguistic differences, Swiss people are known for their strong sense of national identity and unity. Cities. Switzerland has several beautiful cities that are worth visiting. Zurich, the largest city, is known for its vibrant nightlife and cultural scene. Geneva, located on the shores of Lake Geneva, is home to many international organizations, including the United Nations. Bern, the capital city, is famous for its well-preserved medieval old town. Other notable cities include Basel, known for its art museums, and Lucerne, famous for its wooden bridge and picturesque lake. Transportation. Switzerland has an excellent public transportation system, making it easy to explore the country. Trains are a popular way to travel between cities, with frequent and punctual services. The Swiss Travel Pass allows unlimited travel on the country's trains, buses, and boats, making it a convenient option for tourists. Switzerland also has an extensive network of hiking trails, making it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. History. Switzerland has a fascinating history that dates back thousands of years. In ancient times, the region was inhabited by Celtic tribes, followed by the Romans, who established settlements and roads. In the Middle Ages, Switzerland was a collection of independent states and territories, with many conflicts between them. However, in 1291, 3 of these states formed an alliance, laying the foundation for the modern Swiss Confederation. Over the centuries, Switzerland remained neutral in European conflicts, allowing it to avoid wars and maintain its independence. This neutrality helped Switzerland become a haven for refugees and a center for international diplomacy. In the 19th century, Switzerland became known for its banking and finance industry, thanks to its stable political environment and strong economy. Today, Switzerland is a prosperous and peaceful country with a high standard of living. It is known for its political stability, economic prosperity, and commitment to neutrality. The Swiss people take pride in their country's democratic traditions and respect for human rights. Tourist attractions. Switzerland offers a wide range of attractions for visitors to enjoy. One of the most popular destinations is the Swiss Alps, where you can ski, snowboard, hike, and enjoy stunning mountain views. The Matterhorn, one of the most iconic mountains in the world, is a must-see for any visitor to Switzerland. In addition to its natural beauty, Switzerland is home to many cultural attractions. The city of Geneva is known for its international organizations and museums, including the Red Cross Museum and the Museum of Natural History. Zurich boasts a vibrant arts scene, with many galleries and theaters to explore. For those interested in history, Switzerland has many fascinating historical sites to visit. The Château de Chillon, located on the shores of Lake Geneva, is a medieval castle with a rich history. The city of Lucerne is home to the Chapel Bridge, one of the oldest wooden bridges in Europe, as well as the Lion Monument, a poignant memorial to Swiss soldiers. Outdoor activities. Switzerland is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a wide range of activities throughout the year. In the winter, skiing and snowboarding are popular pastimes, with world-class resorts such as Zermatt, Verbier, and St. Moritz attracting visitors from around the globe. The Swiss Alps also provide excellent opportunities for snowshoeing, ice climbing, and sledding. Swiss cuisine is another important aspect of the country's culture, with each region offering its own specialties. In addition to cheese fondue and Swiss chocolate, other traditional dishes include raclette, a melted cheese dish served with potatoes and pickles, and bircher muesli, a breakfast dish made with oats, yogurt, and fresh fruit. Lastly, Switzerland is a country that captivates visitors with its stunning landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. Whether you're exploring the picturesque cities, immersing yourself in nature, or indulging in delicious Swiss cuisine, you're sure to create memories that will last a lifetime. So why not plan your visit to Switzerland today and experience the magic for yourself? Stunning landscapes, rich culture, delicious food, and a fascinating history. Whether you're exploring the charming cities, hiking in the mountains, or indulging in Swiss chocolate, you're sure to have an unforgettable experience. So why wait? Start planning your trip to Switzerland today and discover all that this incredible country has to offer.